here with Funtown. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 lightweight travel trailers that'll be in your budget. So first we're going to be talking about the Wildwood 266 BHLE. Dry weight is going to come in at 4,900 pounds, making this half-ton towable. Right over here, you're going to have a nice big pass-through storage compartment. Take with you everything that you need and whatever fun toys you want to bring along. Going to have manual hand crank stabilizing jacks. If you don't want to get down there and crank it, you can also just use a drill. Super convenient. Going to have a beautiful power awning on this unit with an LED light underneath. Have some nice party lights so you can hang out here. You have a spot to hook up a TV over here as well. Get the game going, set up a table, sit out here with your Dr. Pepper, your chips and queso, whatever it is, under your awning and watch that game. Next to that, you are going to have an electric gas water heater, meaning if you don't want to carry around an extra propane tank and you just want to use your electric water heater, that is definitely an option. Follow me over to the back side of this camper. You're going to have a spot for an actual camera hookup, just a plug and play system. That way if you're backing into a spot, it's kind of hard to see. Your wife doesn't have to stand out here and be like, hey, come on, keep going. You can do that from the screen of your truck. If we head inside, gonna have a pretty spacious front bedroom up in here. The bed is all the way down and I still have all this walking space. Gonna have lots of storage above and on the sides of the bed as well. You're even gonna have some USB ports here that run directly from your 12-volt battery in the front, just in case you don't have shore power or a breaker to hook up to. And if you do have a breaker, gonna have some extra plugs on the side as well, and a nice little nightstand to have your phone or have your water or a glass of wine, whatever it is that you have over here. Right over here, you're gonna have your TV. Nice little setup. You can hang out over here in the morning, eating breakfast, eating dinner, whatever it is, watch the game, watch your favorite show. Lots of counter space on this unit and storage space. I mean, they think of everything. Nice large sink, a nice place to wash your coffee cup in the morning. And then you're gonna have a 3-burner stove top, a microwave underneath of here, and this is actually going to be a convection microwave, so it's going to do a little bit more than just your average microwave. Right behind you are the bunks for some additional sleeping space, big enough for a full-size person to fit up here, or just a kid that you're bringing along with you as well. You're going to have some closet space here as well, or pantry space, dual use, whatever you want to use it as. And a 12-volt refrigerator. Right next to that, we are gonna have the bathroom, and it is pretty spacious, especially for this being as short and light as it is. I can stand full size in the shower. Gonna have storage space over here and over here as well with some protected outlets. All right, let's go see the next option. Option 2 in our lightweight towables is going to be this 233 RBLE. Going to be a no bunk unit, no slides either. Super light, comes in at 4,700 pounds dry weight. Going to have your pass-through storage compartment to store everything that you're going to need. Manual hand crank stabilizing jacks. Going to again have a nice awning with some power lights. Hang out here, have a party. You're gonna have an LP quick connect right over here. If you bring along anything like a grill or griddle that you wanna cook out, maybe some burgers or cooking up some eggs and pancakes in the morning, that is an option to have under your awning. Keep the sun out of your eyes. On the back side, we're gonna have a quick connect for a backup camera, and you're also gonna have a spot for a ladder as well. If we head inside, gonna have lots of underbed storage on this unit. This top part's gonna head right down to your pass-through storage compartment, so you don't have to go outside to get whatever you need from under there. You can also have some storage bins here and put your shoes underneath at night. Gonna have power plugs on both sides and lots of storage space on the sides and above the bed for any clothes or things that you need to bring on the trip. Over here, you are gonna have storage space down below. Gonna have storage bins under here. And this sofa actually pulls out into a bed for some additional sleeping room to compensate for the fact that there are no bunks in this unit. Super easy to do. You just lift up the bottom and bring it down. And then to bring it back up, lift and pull. Put this table back with the donuts. Lots of counter space and a nice big sink on this unit. 3-burner stovetop and a convection microwave. Gonna have a 12-volt refrigerator as well. Storage space over here to put all your snacks and goods. You're gonna have the same thing on this side as well. Up in the bathroom, this is gonna be an all the way across bathroom, so you're gonna have a nice big shower again. Rear bath, so when you wake up, you can see whatever beautiful view it is, or shut the blinds if you need to. And then this is gonna be a dual vanity unit, so you're gonna have 2 sinks, storage on both sides, and then your storage down below as well. This is gonna really compensate, that way you can bring anyone around camping with you, have lots of storage space for anything that you're gonna need. And we'll go check out that third option. Last but certainly not least, we have the Kingsport GFream 248BH coming in at 4,400 pounds. So again, it's gonna be super lightweight and towable. Dry weight's gonna come in at 4,400 pounds and it is a bang for your buck. Let's check it out. So up in the front, you're gonna have your pass-through storage compartment, manual stabilizing jacks, and a nice big awning. You are gonna have this additional light out here, just that way if you wanna hang out here when it's dark out, have some TV going, you will have some additional light to help guide you into the unit at night. As we make our way to the back of the camper, you'll notice that there is some additional storage space here as well. You can store some lawn chairs in here, whatever you need. Heading inside, one of the first things you're gonna notice is how open it feels, especially for how light it is and having no slide. They get away with putting these curtains here to keep the bedroom private. However, not adding an additional wall makes this feel like a super open floor plan. On the side, you're gonna have USB ports and your normal power ports, some storage, and then you can put whatever you want up here to make this a super homey feel. Gonna have 2 sides to your sink, a 2-burner stovetop, and lots of storage space above and below. Right over here, you are gonna have your dinette, which does come down into a bed for additional sleeping space. This can fit a full-size person, a kid, whatever it is, you got it. Gonna have some bunk rooms, so this unit can sleep about 4 to 6 people. Storage space here as well. And then one unique thing that they did with this floor plan is they actually put the sink outside the bathroom. That way if someone's in there showering and you just need to wash your hands, that is always an option. This is also going to have a tankless water heater. What that means, you're going to have continuous hot water from the time you turn it on until you turn it off, as long as you have propane. And in the back here, you are gonna have, of course, your shower, and this does actually come in a tub as well. So if you're bringing the dogs with you and they get dirty outside, or if the kids get dirty outside, rinse them off in here and everything's good to go. Those are 3 of our lightweight, affordable options. Come check out any of the Funtown locations and comment down below which one was your favorite.